I honestly froze. I didn't know what to say. It took me a while before I made the response. Not because I wasn't grateful, but because aside from the fact that it's been a long time since I was given a chance to make a speech, I also thought that my story is not worth sharing. Like, ako Jud, why me? Like, ako na kagwapa na kaandag akong ambag diri sa Agri. Kidding aside, I feel like my time here in the academic paradise in the South has been a long time overdue. Yes, it took me 6 years to finish a 4-year course, and for the longest time, I carried that like quiet burden thinking why I'm still here. Ako mga kabatch, di bang kasal na, ako ginailad pa. Yes, most of my batchmates were getting married, building families and chasing dreams, while I was still here chasing deadlines and getting fooled not by love, but by back subjects and long quizzes. While they were raising babies, I was raising extension letters. And while their kids were calling them mama and papa, I was still calling my advisor, mom, pasaylo ako, last na Judy. But the more I thought about it, the more I realized, maybe that's exactly why I should speak. Because this isn't about how fast we made it. This is about why we stayed and what we learned along the way. So here's the truth I've come to embrace. That life isn't a race. You're not late, you're not behind. You're just doing life at your own pace. And there is so much power in that. At one point, I saw my extension as a curse, a painful reminder that I didn't make it on time. But as the years passed, I realized something beautiful. My extension became a room for me to reflect, to heal, and to feel. It became a quiet space where I met myself again. 2 years ago, I was clinically diagnosed with bipolar I disorder. And for a while, I couldn't even say it out loud. I thought accepting it meant I was broken, that something in me had failed. But eventually, I learned that the bravest thing I ever did was to acknowledge it. Because I believe acknowledging your weakness and showing your vulnerability is not weakness, it is strength. Real, raw, and undeniable strength. It takes strength to say I'm not okay. It takes courage to rest when the world tells you to keep going. It takes wisdom to choose peace, especially when everything feels like it's falling apart. For so long, I believed that to be strong, I had to keep